Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We're having a good day so far today. We've got Chris first in the chat. What's going on? D-Day was a success. Very nice, Chris. We got Frank second. Dark Bro Frank. Nick F. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Tim, man. What's going on, Tim? Dark Bro J-Bones. We've got Tim, Moji, Dark Bro, Kristen. Yo, yo, yo. What's happening? Patrick. Thank you very much for the super chat. Chris is firsty. Dilly. Oh, yes. Thank you very much for that authorized hydration. Absolutely loving it, Pat. And congratulations to you again for being first in the chat, Chris. And thank you very much, Chris, for inspiring that super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. J-Bones, man, what's going on? Old Rounder, Moji, Joshua Carrero, what's going on? J-Bones, Dark Bro, and Declan. Hopefully all you guys are having a good day today. Let's check out the market and see where it ended up today. AMC closing the day up 2.54%. Not bad. $5.66 there. Down a little bit from earlier in the $5.90 range, but $5.66. $5.68 after hours. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting in the top right, still above 1,200 points per coin, 1210. It is up 0.79% on the day. GameStop having a beautiful day today, up 10.45%, $21.66. It was at 22 something earlier. Yeah, 22.49. End of the day at 21.66. Not bad at all. Bitcoin sitting at 22,981, 79, 83, 80, 79, $78 per coin right now. Looking very good. The NASDAQ, baby, 2% higher today. This could absolutely have been the breakout that we needed. We are going to be watching to see whether or not the NASDAQ can test this 11,500 point level. If it breaks that, definitely bullish. If this is just some sort of a fluke day and we have a massive decline tomorrow, I will still accept that this downtrend is on. But right now, it does look very positive that this downtrend may have been broken and we may no longer be following the same descending trend line. So that is a very bullish sign to me. Up 2% on the day, breaking out of that resistance level. Very, very strong sighting. We're gonna see how it handles 11.5. If it breaks 11.5, dude, we're gonna be in some good times. GME sitting at 21.66, Pure Therapeutics $4.20, AMC sitting at 5.66, Ethereum is up, Shiba is up, Dogecoin is up, Bitcoin is up, crypto looking very good today, guys. Sundial sitting at $2.35, Mullen Auto 30 cents per share, CEI, wow man, CEI closing the day today up 26% to $2.27, phenomenal gain in CEI today. The SPY sitting at $400.52, BBIG 66.95. Highcraft Mining sitting at 63.68 cents. Netflix $357. Netflix is crawling back up there, man. $357 from like 180, 190. What was it at back here? 160, touching 160 back here, all the way back up to 350. Netflix looking very strong to regain this massive gap down that it had, and breaking up from that gap today, moving higher to 357. Netflix looking very strong on the daily chart, regaining a lot of ground there. $357, not bad at all. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 17.8. QQQ 288.96. And Ape sitting at $1.82 right now. Not bad gains in Ape either, up 4.89% on the day. Very strong day across the board for stocks and crypto, guys. Looking bullish. I like it. Hopefully you do as well. Found two crypto gems, dude. VRA, Veracity Cryptocurrency, and Everrise, a cryptocurrency, dude. Yeah, so Joshua, man, VRA could be something. I've seen VRA. It's been out for a while, right? And then Everrise. I don't know if I've ever looked into Everrise, but I have seen plenty of articles written about Everrise. 72 today? No. 31 degrees today. What up, crypto plays? What's going on? Cool 50 today. 50 is pretty cool for Arizona, Moji. Stupid Warren Buffett keeps talking crap about crypto. Yeah, well, you know what, Joshua? Warren Buffett's an old guy, right? He doesn't really want to embrace change. He wants to stick with what he's good at. He's good at stocks, man. He's good at stocks. He's comfortable with stocks. And it's kind of sad to think that he doesn't see what crypto will become. Not what crypto could become, but what crypto will become. And, hey, who cares, dude? This is not me being gross or anything or me being rude, but he's going to be dead before cryptocurrency becomes what it actually is meant to be. So it's not like he's really going to miss out on it. And he's done very well in his life to generate billions upon billions upon billions of dollars, and he's gonna be doing just fine. It's just, I don't know, man. Maybe he talks so strongly about it to stay relevant, but it is, I unfortunately for him think he's gonna be wrong on it. Yo, Gorilla, what's going on, bro? Fam, how you doing? Gorilla Invictus, man. Hopefully you're enjoying your new consulting job you got there. I got my brother into VRA crypto and Everrise crypto this week. Very nice, Joshua. Let's check out VRA to see where it's at right now. Veracity, guys. Let's see. VRA. Veracity, yes, it is up 5% today, not doing too bad at all. VRA 0.006, down heavy from the bull market, but on a nice ramp over the last couple of days here. If we go to the 7-day chart, we can see that it's been rising nicely from 0.003 to 0.006. It's up 100% over the last week. Not bad at all. A little $70 million market cap. And you can see that it reached 9 cents during the bull market in 2021. Dude, rolls back up to 9 cents, man. You're sitting on 15x gains. So I'm on with that, man. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. The all-time lows look to be another 90% decline, actually. So if you go all the way back to 2019, this coin was well down there. Shot up 100x. When it ran up, about 150x actually. Ooh, no, even lower back here, 0.0002. It's a 300x gain on Veracity during this bull market rally up to 9 cents. You don't want to miss out on stuff like that, guys. I don't know if Veracity is going to pass 9 cents during the next bull market, but what I do know is when you go from 0.0002 to 9 cents, that is a massive move higher. And that's the kind of stuff that we're going to see during the next bull market, are massive moves higher like that. Please do not miss out on those moves, man. I am telling you, it is going to look good, even if you're buying just random coins like Veracity or, what was the other one you said, man? Everrise. Everrise is another one. Don't miss out on massive gains. Warren Buffett is archaic. I'm an old guy. He's a dinosaur. Crypto scares the dinosaurs. Crypto really does scare the dinosaurs, man. And, you know, they think that cash is something much better. Cash is nice to have. You could do so much more illicit activity with cash than you could ever do with cryptocurrency. So I really don't understand if they just don't get the technology and they don't understand blockchains and ledgers, which you would think some guy like Warren Buffett would understand what a ledger is. I mean, if you're going to be as successful as Warren Buffett, you got to have a basic understanding of accounting. So I know that he does. He just chooses to ignore it, which is the annoying part to me. Which is why I feel comfortable calling them old guys and calling them wrong. Because I know that they are specifically ignoring what this stuff is when they know what it is for one reason or another, man. Let's see. I just need all the elites to keep their mouth. Yeah, Joshua, it'd be nice if they just stopped talking for a while and let things happen. But they'll never do that. They need to be in the spotlight, man. They need to have the cameras on them at all times. I was thinking, boo! Moji. Me too, man. VRA crypto is a scam. State men and memetics. Why? Why do you say VRA is a scam, man? I've never looked into it before. Obviously, it's down. Hopefully, you didn't get in at 9 cents and ride it all the way down to 0.006. If you did, I can understand why you would think it's a scam, but I don't know how scams go from 0.0002 up to 9 cents. So if you'd like to shed a little bit of light, please shed a little bit of light on why it would be so. VeChain is, in my opinion, I lost $30,000 for VeChain. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. Anybody that loses money on anything is going to say it's a scam, right? I lost a lot of money on Farmy. Farmy probably is a scam, but what are you gonna do, man? Until I make all my millions of dollars and buy Farmy out and fire every person that works there, I guess we're never gonna know. Oops, didn't mean to move that around. We're gonna keep that right there. Don't want to do it. Lost a couple hours of my life in a Twitter space about the validator nodes hosted by all nodes. I hope there's not a mass panic on delegation from people. Kristen, I'm telling you right now, people, yeah, it'll happen, dude. It'll happen. You'll definitely lose a couple hours of your life if you hang out in different live streams like this one or Twitter spaces and so on. I really don't like Twitter. I don't know why you lost a couple hours of your life, man, if it just wasn't insightful or if people were just arguing or what the deal was. But people love to spread hate on Twitter. It is wild the amount of evil that is just running rampant on Twitter every day. I love Twitter to get specific news, but if I find myself just like scrolling and passing my time on Twitter, like if I actively realize I'm doing that, boom, I cut it off, man, because it's disgusting. Clear, bro, if you haven't investigated Terra Report, I would give it a look. I wasn't interested until I read into it. Thinking of jumping in now. Yeah, Kristen, so I've looked at it a little bit, right? They're doing a pre-sale, or they've done the pre-sale already. They're going to have a public sale. The new coin symbol is going to be Terra. I don't know if it's available yet or not. But with a lot of these coins that start projects to support other coins, which is what Terra is going to be. A decentralized platform to support Terra Luna Classic and other coins as well. Decentralized. It's more than a decentralized exchange. It's a decentralized platform, right? And I believe they've raised over $2 million already. And they're going to be doing a public sale here. If they haven't already started it, it's by the end of July, or by the end of January. I don't even know what month we're in. By the end of January. A lot of times, you see these coins do very well in the beginning, and then the hype and excitement fade as people realize, okay, well, this was nice, but I'm actually interested in Terra Luna Classic. I'm actually interested in the real project as opposed to this side project. So if you do get into Terra and you think it's going to be a good thing, sweet. Just be aware, you may want to have a little bit of a shorter term mentality on it, or put a stop loss on there if you do begin to make some money, just to make sure you maintain your profits, man. But a lot of times I never see the side project or the support project surpass the actual project. So just be aware of that, man. Hey Clay, did you hear about they found Carol Baskin's husband? Yes. Oh man, yes. So I heard about that last week or whenever it was, and it's gonna have to make me change my song, man. I wrote a song back in 2020 that was Carol Baskin, who are you? Who are you? Why'd you kill your husband? Why'd you kill your husband? That's not cool. That's not cool. And now I think it's going to have to end. That's not true. That's not true. I don't know, man. This guy's 80-some years old, living in, what, was it Costa Rica or Puerto Rico or somewhere? Living in one of them islands down there. I don't know the situation, man. I don't know. I don't know if Carol Baskin is just trying to get back in the spotlight or what the deal is, but yes, I did hear that. That's why peeps are here. Heck yeah, emoji. Josh must be a pro then. Everybody is. Let me clarify. Oh, Nodes didn't host it. Oh, gotcha. All right, Kristen, good deal. You follow Crypto Zombie, Tyler S, Jordan. No, actually, I don't think I follow any of those guys. It's like 3 days. They have a countdown. Gotcha. The public sale starts in 3 days, guys. If you're interested in Terra, I had a dream about DXY last month, dude. I saw DXY going down to 78. Hope it happens soon. Where is the DXY at right now? I've not looked at that in a very long time. 102, man. Down heavy from where it was before. Goodness gracious. All right, guys, so you can see that we did have the DXY marked up here. Very nice. And this is actually pretty sweet. If you guys look at this ascending trend line, okay? We put this ascending trend line on here. I actually don't know when we put it on, but clearly it was well before November. I don't remember looking at the DXY in the last 2 months. So honestly, we may have put it on back here in September. But DXY broke up nicely to $114 or points or whatever you want to look at it as. And look what happened the moment it broke that ascending trend line. This trend line was intact. Honestly, it was very nice since here, February of 2022. But you could have had a pretty nice trend line going back here since June of 2021. You look at this ascending trend line. The moment that it gets broken, okay, boom, here, even if you want to consider this confirmation of a double breakdown of the descent or the ascending trend line and the horizontal line of support that was once resistance, it does nothing but come down. So now you've got a nice descending trend line forming on the chart right here. And this could be something to watch us break down even further. Obviously, we're going to have levels of support right around 100. It's going to be significant to break through, but it's knocking on its door right now, man. So that's what happens when you break the ascending trend line. Boom. Now it's able to reverse course and begin moving lower if that's what it decides to do. But depending on where you put this at, it's a pretty steep descension here. I actually like this one too. So something to look at, guys, if you're looking at how fast the DXY is falling. And if it breaks back to the upside, please don't be afraid to play it bullish either, because it can continue to move higher. But yeah, that's very interesting that it broke down that heavy, because this is probably going to translate to a pretty big move in the euro. Yeah. So you guys can see 123 really started a downtrend on the euro USD. Oh no, this is a 5-minute chart. This is the daily uptrend, because the dollar was getting cheaper, therefore the euro buys more of the dollar. So you guys can see here since September, and then it really broke back in November. If you go to the DXY, started back here in September, right, and then really broke in November. So if you would have been playing that and you played the break of that ascending trend line there on November 4th, if you would have bought the euro on November 4th, right here, gosh, dude, at 97 cents, you'd be sitting at $1.08 right now. And I know if you play max leverage on somewhere like MetaTrader 4, dude, that's a 10-cent gain. If you would have reinvested every 2 cents, you would have like 5 or 6 extra money. Well, more than that, because every 200 pips is a doubling of your money. So you would have doubled. You would have, what is that? Do you start with 1,000? You double up to $1. You get 2,000. You double to 4,000. You double to 6,000. You double to 8,000. You double to 16,000. Yeah, you'd be sitting on like 32 grand right now if you would continue doubling, just playing on the way up on this ascending trend line. It would have been nuts. Oh my gosh. Gregory! Thank you very much for the super chat. Very sorry I was going on that rant, guys. That DXY was looking wild. Gregory Patrick Smith, thank you very much for the super chat. Love you, Clay. Sing it one more time when you can. Do you think she was happy when he was found? Oh, I'll sing it, man. Carol Baskin, who are you? Who are you? Why'd you kill your husband? Why'd you kill your husband? That's not cool. That's not cool. Dude, I don't know, man. I really don't know if she would have been happier. You would think, but I don't. Dude, that entire situation is so bizarre to me. And it's been, what, like 20 years? That entire situation is so bizarre that I have no idea I have no idea what that lady thinks. None whatsoever. Do you think she was happy? I think she's happy that she's back in the news. But I don't know if she was happy. Oh yeah, ladies and gents, call me whatever you want. Just don't call me late for dinner. But Offish pulled the gun on AMC, had to say screw it, and ripped the Band-Aid off. I like it, Chris. I like it. Josh, they've been saying that since the capitulation, something. I didn't see what Josh said there, sorry. Yeah, you need MM Crypto, Da Vinci, J15, the Moon Carl, Crypto Source. Yeah, a bunch of other guys that talk about crypto. Sweet, Chris, thanks. Now AMC will probably rip. That would be hilarious. That would be very bad for Chris, but that would be great for the rest of us. 35 likes. Smack it upstairs. Guys, click that like button, please. But if we get 35 likes and 39 viewers, I appreciate it. Let's see. J-Bones, that wouldn't surprise me. It only started dropping when I got in. And when you get out, the gains continue on. Thank you very much, Chris, for stepping aside, humbling yourself, and letting the rest of us make some money. Will Chris affect Ape Stock too? Chris could affect Ape Stock as well. Yes. Outdoor Smile. Chris may have been the catalyst that we needed this entire time. I might start making AMC videos again now. Now that Chris is out and the gains are going to start. Ooh, this is looking good to me. Higley, it's me, or what? Oh, is it me? I'm like, yeah, dude, it is you, I guess. Is it me? Or does it look like Luna 2 has a better future than Luna Classic? I mean, it's doing great in this upcoming bull run. Wouter Van Wiggling. Dude, you got a crazy name, man. I don't even know what to call you. I'm going to call you Van. Van. So, personally, I do not think that Luna 2.0 has a better future. Luna 2.0 has better developers. I will say that. The guys that created Terra Luna Classic in the first place were good developers, and they all moved over to Terra Luna 2.0. Terra Luna Classic has the community. Now, what I see happening out on social media with guys like LUNC Down and some of these other people is that they're trying to take the community from Terra Luna Classic over to Terra Luna 2.0 because they're trying to show off their developers. The developers are great. Yes, I'll give them that all day. But the money's in the community, man. You can be the best developer in the world, but if nobody wants to buy your product, it's not going to do anything. Everybody's buying Terra Luna Classic, and that's where the community's at. That's where the money's at. So their goal is to try and rip everybody off of Terra Luna Classic, bring them over to Terra Luna 2.0, and see some gains there. I don't think it's a better project. I think it's got better developers, yes, but I think that the money is where the community is, and the community is in Terra Luna Classic right now. We'll check it out in 2 seconds, Dark Bro, after I say, you are my fire, the one desire, believe when I say that I want it that way, but we are two worlds apart, can't reach to your heart when you say that I want it that way. Tell me why he ain't nothing but a heartache. Johnny J ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say, Johnny J, I want it that way. John J, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Man, if you're not having fun out there, I don't know what's wrong with you right now. John J, dude, you absolutely killed it with that super chat right there. Loving it, man. Loving it. It's about to get real up in here. Bitcoin gonna run. Yes, it is, Chris. Oh, I did, baby. Oh, I did. Or I will if you're talking about making more AMC videos. Let's see. You would know all about this stuff from the 70s, old man. Something Luke Down as a clown. I don't even know. Yeah. Listen. I like the guy really likes to speak in sarcasm. I know that, man. I know that. Recently tweeted that everything he's been tweeting about 2.0 is a lie, and that he's back. Dude, I have no idea yet. I think that everything that comes out of that guy's mouth is like sarcastic, and you just gotta eat through all the sarcasm. I really don't know. I do know the guy has a lot of fun on Twitter, though. So if he's having a lot of fun on Twitter, well, he's allowed to have fun on Twitter. Tell me when over, J-Bones. It is over. Don't quit your day job. Ronald, I wouldn't dare, man. But I know you still had fun with that. Man. Hit a solid 3 notes. Nice. Outdoor smile. That's versatility, man. That's versatility at its finest right there. You guys, dude. You guys are great. Let's see. Who got me singing with him? My son looking at me like, oh, yeah, Dark Bro. There you go. You already know what it is, man. I'm a cat Sal. I never heard that before. Dude, your cat liked it, man. Your cat liked it. There you go. Moji, man. I got a rise out of your cat. You didn't even know your cat could do that. So ready for XRP to take off. Gorilla Zoe, man. Yes, I would like. I think that XRP winning the lawsuit could be a very good thing for the entire cryptocurrency market, simply because it's going to inspire crypto investors that the SEC can't necessarily control or cap or regulate the market in a way that they want to, overstepping crypto boundaries. Okay, I want the SEC or any regulatory body for that matter, it doesn't matter, to regulate the exchanges not necessarily the coins. The coins, I would rather be able to have anybody create any coin that they want. And as far as that's concerned, like, okay, I don't know how to cut down on the scam coins yet, but I still want there to be very low or no barrier to entry when it comes to creating a coin. However, the exchanges, man, we can't have people like FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried running around scamming people out of tens of billions of dollars. That's bad, dude. That's bad. Last week, my AMC cash secured puts expired out of the money. Took the $1,200 and opened 3 new contracts at $4 strike for February 10th, earning another $62. Total options premium for the last 2 months, now over $510. Nice. Frank destroying it, man. Making $250 a month selling options premiums alone. Frank, dude, killing it in options income, man. $250 a month is not bad at all. Frank, ladies and gentlemen, paying his bills by selling cash secured puts and selling covered calls. Very nice, Frank. Loving it, dude. JFC, my darn ears. No, you're good, man. I understand what JFC is. Your darn ears. Clay bro. Those were the kids us Gen X would beat the crap out of. No, you would, man. Backstreet Boys were the men. Then, upon a king case with our fake IDs and hung out with our girlfriends. Well, dude, now we like to have fun with the Backstreet Boys. And you will have fun with us, Tim. You will have fun with us. How long do we need to go up for it to be a bull market and not a bull trap? Talk about that in 2 seconds, Paul, right after I say peak of power. Dude, that sounds exactly like Tim's cows, man. That sounds exactly like Tim's cows. Yes. Clay's a Muppet alien. See the Discord. Which Discord, man? I'm in the Discord right now. I don't even see. Well, I don't see where I'm supposed to be looking. I will look, though. So, Paul, here's what you really need to think about. We could honestly continue to go up on Bitcoin for quite some time. And this is nice that it's breaking out here without it being a bull trap. So you got to do a couple things, man. You got to regain resistance levels. And honestly, it could bounce off 29 and people would have called it a bull trap, but you doubled your money on the way up. So in order for an actual bull market to return, though, it's not necessarily a percentage gain and so on. We may have bottomed. We may only come back down to $18,000, $19,000 now on some dips. Who knows if this 15 was the bottom? We may curl back over and we might see 12,000. I mean, you guys know that Bitcoin and crypto is extremely volatile. So a percentage gain doesn't necessarily decide a bull market. It's the overall things that affect the market that decide a bull market is here. And the things you want to look for are things like the inflation and interest rates, as well as company earnings. Because what happens is when you get low interest rates, money is cheap. People can go out there, they can borrow it, and they can spend it. That stimulates the economy. And with money being cheap, that means interest rates are low. Inflation needs to be low, or right around that target 2%. Inflation needs to be low because your dollar goes further. You can buy more with your money. You have higher purchasing power. So you want interest rates to be low, you want inflation to be low, and you want earnings to be high. If companies are turning profit, if companies are growing, it means that they're hiring more people have jobs, the economy is rolling, things are doing very well, and profit is being made. So that indicates that you could be in a bull market at that point. When things are growing, you're in a bull market. Now, what we've got right now, we've got a rising price, but we've got the opposite going on. We've got an economy where earnings are contracting. Companies aren't making as much money as they once were. We've got an economy where interest rates are rising. That is bad. And we've got an economy where inflation it might be falling, but it is still very high. So it's the opposite of what we want to see right now. So, unfortunately, we might see this price go back up to 30,000, but it doesn't necessarily mean we're in a bull market. A bull market is when all of the things are working for economic growth, and right now they're working for economic contraction, but we just have a very nice price We've got very nice price action over the last couple of weeks. Always cheers me up, Clay. Thanks, Peak and Power. Hopefully you're having a great day today. I wish I was Ryoshi Razi, man. If I was... Hold on. I clicked the microphone button. All right, I think we're back. I wish I was Ryoshi, dude. If I was Ryoshi, I'd tell these children to calm down. We're in disbelief. Charts for crypto, Clay. In my opinion, I may have missed something, man. If I did, sorry. Adam Aaron's burner account is yeah, Adam Aaron's burner account is Moji. Oh, sweet shiny baby cheeses. Please let me get some 12,000 Bitcoin. Please, dude, I would love some 12,000. I would like 10,000 Bitcoin though, or single digit thousands. Ooh, 9,000 Bitcoin would be sick. Snitches get stitches. Oh, they do, Moji. Or should I say Aaron? Yeah, it is actually, it's not even Aaron. Isn't his name just Aron? He doesn't even have 2 A's in his name, I think. Hit the like button for one of the best crypto channel chats on YouTube. Authorized hydration, baby. Sean Guerrero, man. Thank you very much. Absolutely appreciate the positive feedback. You guys are great, man. You guys are great that you enjoy this channel. Appreciate you, man. Maybe it's a mini super cycle. Altcoin season. It could be. Joshua. Look, listen. Regardless of why they're going up, coins are going up in value. You know, I can sit here and point to a bear market all day long and talk about how the economy is not in great shape. But people don't care sometimes. People don't care. They buy, like, you know, you got bankrupt companies that go up in price 10x. The prices of them 10x after they announce bankruptcy. It does not make logical sense that they do so. But if you look at Revlon, you know, Revlon did that. I don't remember the symbol for Revlon. Here it is. I mean, you look at this company right here. Revlon, guys. It announced bankruptcy down here at $1 per share, like $1.20 per share. And it shot up to $10.95 per share after announcing that it was going bankrupt. And then this is the thing that makes sense here. This is what makes sense. The price coming down to 30 cents afterwards. This company's not worth anything. Doesn't make sense to me that it's up 35% today to 95 cents. It might be going on some other stupid run. But companies that announce bankruptcy, doesn't make any logical sense. They shoot up in price, man. This is a week going from $1 to $9.78. Doesn't make any sense at all. But it did. So, yeah, man, you can't predict anything when the markets are illogical. Let's see. I hit the dislike button because I haven't gotten a wrench. Also, where is my... Yeah, Rozzy, I got to look into that, man. I did not look and see what's going on with it yet. Claybro, I'm digging that 15.9 Bitcoin I picked up. Almost as good as the 70-cent ape. Dude, and almost as good as your 18 cents Mullen Auto as well. Tim is absolutely killing it, man. Good show, Sean. Good show. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat and the legitimate authorized hydration. Dude, it is so nice to have just a calming 3 seconds of authorized hydration going down your throat. It's so nice and refreshing. Do you think it's possible for Luna Class to go back to $100? Hussein, man. So I'm probably an optimist in the sense that anything is possible. But do I think it's likely? No. Here's what would need to happen. We would need to burn 99.99% of the supply. Or we would need to do some sort of a reverse split where all of you guys end up having like 2 coins as opposed to 20 million coins. So it's not going to happen with the current outstanding supply. You know, if it goes back up to $100, man, it's like a $600 trillion valuation. No. That's not going to happen. That could happen if the United States, you know, just spirals into some sort of like socialist destruction where our currency is worth less than it is in Venezuela, and things are just destroyed for the U.S. dollar. But at that point, you wouldn't even care if you had $1 trillion, because your $1 trillion might be worth like €2. trillion dollars to buy you a hamburger. So there are scenarios in which it could, but they're not scenarios in which you would, benefit greatly from it, because you're going to have to burn your coins if you want it to go back up to $100. Let's see. I like the video because I don't want to get in trouble with Queen Pika. There you go, Rozzy. Click that like button, man. Click that. I'm going to sick Pika on you guys if you guys don't click that like button. Wise move. Yeah, Pika, it's a very wise move. Emma D! We got a little king monkey doing some hula hoops. Oh, yes. King. Emma D, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it on that one. Moji, authorized AD fund for no likey button. Oh, authorized ad fund. Well, here we go, man. You guys don't click the like button? Guess what you get? Authorized by my buddy, none other than Moji. I clicked the ad button. Let me know who got an ad and who didn't get an ad. Blow that chat up right now if you did not get an ad. And if you did, blow it up in about 5 seconds when you click skip. Moji, man, thank you very much for the ad. Absolutely appreciate it. Hopefully you're back in here now if you unfortunately got one. Let's see. Clear up 8-ball question. Could Shiba and LUNC hit $1? Ooh. Can Shiba and Terra Luna Classic hit $1 if the developers go away? Well, still, man, must be too high. Don't count on it. Tim, dude, don't count on it. Still too high of a price. If the developers go away, still not gonna hit $1, dude. Too high of a price. Not gonna happen. Don't count on it. 8-ball being realistic on that one, man. If market cap is too much, it's not worth it for me, in my opinion. There you go, man. Hero, when Shib burned to 0. When is Shib going to burn to 0? Or when did Shib burn to 0? Because Shib burned to 0 a couple weeks ago as it shot through 800 points per coin to 1,200 points per coin. When will it burn the next 0? Ooh, it's not going to burn the next 0, man, until the massive bull rally comes and we start to hit all-time highs again. So if you're looking to 10x your money on Shiba Inu coin right now, you might have to wait for 2025 to roll around and get a nice bull market. I say 2025 because I am guessing, but that is based on previous bull and bear market cycles. Perfect hoodie for that. Chipro does an excellent hula hoop. Chipro does do an excellent hula hoop, doesn't he? Hey, Mitch Pika, how you doing? Emma D, thank you very much for that. Appreciate it. I didn't even realize I was wearing the Chipro hoodie today, so thank you for reminding me that I was. That's disappointing. Kristen, it is disappointing, but hey, 8-ball knows best. John J, thank you for the super chat. John J says, Moji, we're gonna make millions of dollars. Sell on February 15th. It's gonna happen. Oh yes, man. What do we sell? Like, is this insider trading? What are we selling on February 15th, man? I need to get in on this. Sell it on February 15th. It's gonna happen, baby. I want to make millions of dollars. What is happening? What is happening? John J, man, let me in on this. I need to make some money. I need to make millions of dollars on February 15th, please. Forget the 8-ball. I want a 7-ball. Rozzy, I don't have a 7-ball, actually. I've only got an 8-ball, man. I've only got an 8-ball. Let's see. Justice for Dark, bro. Look at that. Ignored again. Never ignore Dark, bro. Never ignored. Even I got an ad. My YouTube Red subscription must be. Oh, gosh. Dang it, man. Pika got it. Dude, that was such a strong YouTube ad that it penetrated all of your guys' YouTube premiums. And you guys got ads even if you're sitting on YouTube Premium out there. I love it. Well, Pika, reminder to grab your YouTube Premium once more. Let's see, I'm selling tomorrow. MOAS, always tomorrow. The MOAS is always tomorrow, man. Remember when the MOAS was legitimately tomorrow every day? So sad, man. So sad that tomorrow never comes. So sad, dude. What's that one guy's name? The bald guy in New York? Oh, does Lou still say that the MOAS is happening? I haven't seen that he posts videos in months, man. Is he still posting videos? Is he still on for AMC? Like the real price is sitting at $4,500 right now or something like that? Is he still on with it or no? Rozzy is here. Haven't seen him in a while. Rozzy is here, looking good. Clay with skills like that. I don't know how Juana can keep her hands off. Yeah, get that Michael Corleone impression down, and you'll be unstoppable. Top GPT, baby. Oh yeah. Top GPT all the way. I like it. But I do need to get that impression down. I have the worst impressions in the world. Like, I could make a career out of having such bad impressions. It's unfathomable that anybody could have a worse impression than me. I don't know if it's because I just can't hear these people correct or what the deal is, but I am like the world's worst at impressions. I don't even know. Like, I try. It's not that I'm like fake trying. I am trying. Hey bro, I was wondering where Glowstone was and if you could do a video this week. No, you'd have to do research first. Let's see where Glowstone is, man. Let's check that bad boy out, see what's going on with the Glowstone. Oops. Oh, there's a W in there. There's a W. There's a W in there. It is sitting up 3% today. Glowstone is up 3% today to 0.0000000001274. Looking very nice. $90,000 market. Dang, man, this is already up big from where it was earlier. $90,000 from an $84,000 market cap. Looking very nice, man. And I actually don't know where it was earlier. So, yeah. So, up about 10% from where it was earlier today, man. Not looking too bad at all. 1275, up about 10% from where it was earlier. Looking nice on Glowstone. Patrick, we got the Claybro Bugatti. Luggage fund. Patrick, thank you. That bought me an entire handbag right there. I could easily go out and buy one of those crossbody messenger bags with that $2 super chat. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Just feels so good, man. The refreshment is unparalleled. You have great Claybro impressions, Clay. That is the only impression that I can do. Claybro is my greatest impression. It's my greatest one, Rozzy. Woo! Dark Bro up 10%. I like it, man. Dark Bro's selling already. Take your profit. Take your profit. Take your profit. That's a Kia Forte profit right there, man. It's a Kia Forte profit if I've ever seen one, Dark Bro. Let's see. Glowstone is definitely, well, I don't know, man. $80,000, $90,000 market cap. Even if it's a scam, scammers got to make money too. Dark Bro's trying to make some money along with them. Let's see. Probably an asteroid. Something. Glowstone. Scam. Asteroid. I'm sorry, P. Something happened. Oh, P. I feel it 100% too. I know I missed something there. I'll go with that. There is something off the cosmos that I am sure of. What is happening? Me? Let's blame it on the weather? Yeah, do it. Same, Pika. Same. Oh, yeah. Hang it in, Emma. How are you doing? Oh, man. Everybody's saying something off in the cosmos, dude. Well, hopefully the cosmos realign and you guys are doing great. If Shib hits 0.005 and LUNC hits 0.001 and Tonic hits 0.009, automatic weapons and a fire truck, commercial grade fireworks for everybody with their green and blue names. Go subscribe, join, and become a bro. Tim's gonna make it, guys. Tim's gonna make it, and he's gonna bring us all with him. I like it. Tim, man, very nice, dude. Club, did you hear about the Spanish word of the day? Dallas. A Dallas game the Cowboys played this season was yesterday. Sad Dallas fan. Is that a joke? The last game the Cowboys played this season was yesterday? Is that a Spanish joke, dude? Or is that is that an actual, oh God. Gorilla Invictus, man. My Spanish is terrible, so if that's a Spanish joke to indicate the last game that they're going to play, it's a very good one, but hopefully I didn't interpret that wrong. Only on the side of the most tomorrow's XRP going to settle their loss. Dude, you know what, Johnsontown? You might be right on that. Everything that I always read about XRP is that they're going to settle their lawsuit, next week, next month, next week, next month. And the settlement never comes, dude. Settlement never comes. So, yeah, I think that if anybody could deal with the Moas is tomorrow type of a campaign, it's the guys that have been in XRP for the last 3 years that have just constantly been told XRP is going to settle their case tomorrow. Next week. The squeeze is next week, guys. Oh, man. I did see, you guys remember New York Angelo, right? I did see a lot of his, I scrolled through his channel yesterday. I saw him on Twitter. dude's still posting AMC videos every day, and somehow the squeeze is still on. I don't get it. I really don't get it. But dude's got some great views, man. So he's obviously doing something right. Crossbody Bugatti. Dude, crossbody Bugatti. I like that, actually. Now, Tim, I might go get a crossbody Bugatti. You say that 3 times fast. Crossbody Bugatti, baby. Crossbody Bugatti equals a man purse and a Kia Forte. Tim, you got something wrong with a man purse and a Kia Forte? Come at me with my crossbody Bugatti, baby. My crossbody Bugatti. I like it. This one's for Emma. Emma, we got a little king unicorn in the chat just for you. You better be paying attention right now. Oh, that horn is so nice. You better be paying attention right now, Emma. Ooh, that's a sharp one. That's a sharp one. Oh, yes. Emma D. This one's... You can't even really see it. Oh, there you go. Emma D, this one's for you. Thank you very much, Fika. That one is for Emma D. Hopefully she liked it. And this one is for everybody. Compliment. My gosh, dude. That crown just jacked everything up. La pika pika. La pika pika. La pika 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 pika. La pika 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 pika. La pika pika. La pika pika. La pika 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 pika. La pika 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 pika. La pika pika. La pika pika. La pika 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 pika. La pika 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 pika. Last time, you guys better do it with me. Let's have some fun. La pika pika. La pika pika. La pika 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 pika. La pika 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 pika. Moji, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. That is a little pika pika, baby. You guys better know how to do that one, and you better do it with me. XRP settle soon, friend. Oh, God. Hey, Tim, you might have just come up with a very good ad campaign for, like, Shiba Inu coin to rip on the XRP army. Dude, if you started, like, a little advertisement or started making shirts that said, like, XRP settle soon, friend. Oh, dude, that would probably make those guys so mad. That would probably make all of the XRP guys so mad, man. I actually think it's a really good idea. The Shiba army could buy it, making fun of themselves, making fun of the XRP army. Oh, dude, you're on to something on that one. Tim, you should do that, dude. I got you. This one's for you, Pika, from Emma. Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Emma D, for the king. I'm not a queen kitty. For the king kitty in the chat right now. Thank you very much, Emma. Absolutely appreciate that super sticker, guys. You guys are having a lot of fun today. I love it. Yes. You guys remember? I was thinking about it when I was doing the La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika. Dude, PD Pete, man. PD Pete, were the original, you know, LPD PD. That dude loved that super sticker right there, man, and he was one of those like big, tough-looking dudes that if you ever ran into him at nighttime in the middle of an alley somewhere, you'd be like, oh my goodness, Lord help me now. But he loved that super sticker, and that was so fun to me, man, to see like a huge tough guy send you a super sticker like na 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 na. I really liked that, and I wish Pete would come back in here sometime, man. Pete, dude, if you're listening right now, we appreciate you. If you're not listening right now, come back to us, man. Come back to us. Bro, how's it almost? No idea, Dark Bro. No idea. Technically on AMC, I can sell covered calls at a $5 strike and still make a profit. I like it. You could, dude. You could. Frank, do it, man. Do it. John J! Thank you very much for the super chat. For Pika and Emma D. Best Whitney Houston impression. Oh, I'm going there. Bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking. First of all, I have no idea what this is, man. I have no idea what this is. Oh God, John Jay, man, you've got me with the Backstreet Boys, man. Dude, I got a YouTube over here on this screen, man, and Paul's up on my page right now. Nice. All right, I like it, dude. don't even know what song this is, dude. Bittersweet Memories? Is it called Bittersweet Memories? I don't even know what this song is. Is this the And I? You guys can't hear this, can you? Oh, yeah. And I will always love you. Pick an M&D. I will always love you. God. All right, we're going to close that YouTube down for now, and then we're going to just close my YouTube down right now, as we lost basically everybody in this chat. Yes, very sorry about that, guys, but we are good to go. I like it. Here's the bodyguard dude. Something too young, maybe. I don't even know what's going on right now. I might have missed it. You don't know it? Yeah, well, I got it now, Moji. I got it now. You guys can calm down on that one. No, Pudgy, you ain't right. Something I know I missed. Yeah, as a song she stole from someone else. She's a thief. Don't do. I did it, man. I did it. I did, and you guys liked it too, man. I know you guys liked it. Yeah, that makes it 1 o'clock. It does. 8 minutes early today, and it's time to go. No, we're staying here. We're staying. Oh yeah, Tim. You know you liked it, man. You know you liked it. That's the thing. Yep, time to go. You guys are all close. Just cover your ears for the next 7 minutes. It'll be right. 38 on the like button. What did I walk into? Gosh, how is there only 38 on the like button? You guys better click that like button right now. If you click the like button, Bitcoin will actually go back up above $23,000 per coin. If you don't click the like button, unfortunately, Bitcoin is going to go below $22,000 per coin. So you definitely want to make sure you click the like button. Can you look at Kegs? Is Kegs a coin or a stock? Because yes, we can look at it. Kegs. I don't know if you're talking about that. Are you talking about this? You're not going to be able to buy this one on Webull. It's 0.0007 right now. 0.07 of a cent. I think you might be talking about a coin. Actually, I don't know if you're talking about a coin now either. Yeah, dude, you're not going to be able to buy this on Webull if you are interested in it. This is an extremely low-priced penny stock. It has been doing okay over the last, 2 weeks here since the beginning of 2023. But it's going from 0.0002 to 0.0007, almost quadrupled in value. But this is not something that you're going to be able to trade on Webull here. You might be able to get it on Fidelity, but I'm not exactly sure where you can get it. 53 million shares traded today. Very, very low market cap of $3.4 million at the current price. Last week, the company would have only been worth, a couple $100,000. So, I don't know. Stocks like that, I don't typically mess around with if they have no volume whatsoever. Just started watching you talk about Breed being fired. Yeah, so Voda, man. If you want to discuss that really quick, this is the interesting part, okay? A lot of these people, and I don't know the hierarchy or the bureaucracy that takes place in this Shiba Inu coin ecosystem. You know, Satoshi is not some guy that created Shiba Inu coin. That's obvious. Somebody that nobody knows, not Ryoshi, but somebody that nobody knows created Shiba Inu coin. The ecosystem team came along and they made up a story about a guy named Ryoshi or a spirit named Ryoshi or whatever their story is. They created Shiba Inu coin with the intent of everybody having a decentralized platform and all of that. You know, people bought into it, which is fine. It's great. Nobody really cares who created Shiba Inu coin. But the moral of the story is nobody controls it. So what they've done is they've created an ecosystem around it. They cannot control Shiba Inu coin whatsoever, but they can control the ecosystem. Now, nobody has the keys to this ecosystem either. So it's very interesting that Satoshi and all of these guys are starting to bicker in public about who should be in charge of what and things that are going and being done. And if they honestly are having disputes amongst themselves, that's something that should be taking place in private, man. It's not something that they should be fighting out over social media and calling each other names and destroying the reputation and the image of their company that they're building here. It's just not what they should be doing. Kids say you're the funniest Luna Classic ever, Clay, bro. Well, you know what, Kristen? Perfect. I like it. I really do hope you guys, I mess around a lot on here. We have a lot of fun. You guys can laugh at me all you want, but I really hope that all you guys just enjoy hanging out in here, man, and that it is a fun experience for everybody. Click the like button a second time after my dog started howling on that god-awful Whitney Houston impersonation. Dude, you know that was the best thing you've heard all day today, Tim. Let's see. I always click the like button. Ronald, appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. They have amazing news on buying large micro brew. Oh, gotcha, Brian. So that is the company then. Look at the 3-month chart from 0.001 to 0.00. Yeah, so that very well could be, man. It is. They've gone from, in November, 0.0001. I don't know where you can get this company, okay? If they've 7x from here, they've gone from like a $500,000 valuation up to a $3.5 million valuation, which is a drastic increase. But, dude, if you look at the long-term graph here, they've basically had one little blip up in their life, and it is a drastic one, okay? So from 2019, people buying into these penny stocks in 2021 when everybody had money, going from 0.0002, where it was a couple weeks ago, to 3.5 cents is a drastic increase in price, man. But it's all the way back down, to 0.0001 here. I don't know if they've ever been lower. No. So it's seemingly 0.0001 is their low price, and they've been out for quite some time, man. Yeah, so they're basically worthless from where they were before. All of these reverse splits that they must have underwent. Holy crap. Dude, after its IPO in 2001, all of the reverse splits that this company had to have gone through would have placed this stock price at $625 billion. And now it's at 0.0007. It would have lost like 99.99999% of its value. Please don't ever expect it to go back that high again. I've never seen one that high. $625 billion. I've never seen one that high. But yeah, dude, definitely want to watch out for this one. I don't think that these guys are going to be gaining any value anytime soon. Now I can't even get them back on the radar here. Yeah, I don't know. Can't even get them back on the radar now. Got to watch out for that one, man. Got to watch out for that one. Satoshi does away with the breeds to consolidate his, hers, they, them, theirs, ours position. Tinfoil hat theory. Yeah, Tim, it is a possibility, man. It is a possibility. I don't know. I don't know, like I say, I don't know their hierarchy. I don't know their bureaucracy. I don't know if they were making any money. I don't know if they're a part of it. What I do know is with Bone being minted, okay, with Bone being minted, every new Bone that was minted went to their developer wallet. They were getting paid a portion of every new Bone. So they own a lot of Bone. And with Bone being at $1.50 right now, they're probably sitting on quite a bit of money. And with Shibarium being released, it's a very interesting time to, cut your crew off. If Satoshi really is the leader of the ecosystem, it's a very interesting time to cut your crew off and stop their payment, fire all of them, let them all go, whatever you want to talk about, and then the hype and the excitement from Shibarium coming to be, all of that newly minted bone and all of the price increase in bone becoming yours. I don't know if that's what's happening. Like I say, it's just all speculation, man. But that'd be messed up, dude. That'd be messed up. Let's see. Yeah, Brian, man, sounds like you know a lot about it. A lot more than me about it. But please be careful if you are investing in it. It's a very small company. Guys, it is past 5 o'clock. We're going to get some shout-outs in the chat right now, and then we will be back with videos tonight at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Please watch them all. May go over, hang out on TikTok for a while. Not exactly sure. We'll see what we got going on there. But, man, Brian, shout-out to you. Eric, see you later. Hello, hola, and bye. We've got Frank, Pudgy, man. Peace out of the Diamond-Handed Poodles, baby. AMC Trapper, if you're in here. Peace out of the Diamond-Handed Apes. Dark Bro, see you later. Brian, Moji, Pudgy. We've got Brian, Pudgy. I like the diamond-handed grapes as well. Steaks and snakes, but grapes is definitely. Brian, see you later, man. Pudgy, Football, see you later. D's, Pudgy. Tim, see you later, man. Diamond-handed bats as well. Vote him. Enjoy your day. John J. Football, see you later. Gorilla Invictus, peace out to you. We've got Roulette Wheel. Bob, see you later. Old Rounder, John J. D's, Pika, Emma D, SD, Nick F, Stephanie, bro. All you guys that are in here, hopefully you guys are having a great day today. I think I said bye to Tim. Yeah, I said goodbye to Tim. Bye to Tim again. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Zombie Ron? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.